Lower sash has been removed. Now it's time to take out the parting stops or the middle stops. That's these pieces here and over here, and then there's one that runs across the top. And what these do is these stops provide the back slide for your bottom sash, and then it gives you the holds the front side of the top sash in. Okay. Sometimes you have to do this, sometimes you don't. I'm going to take and I'm going to go ahead and score right along this top sash from where it's been painted shut over the years.